So this Hoover Anniversary right here is a machine that I put some extensive work into the motor for. When I got this machine, it was really, the bearings were very much destroyed. And I could tell that the previous owner of this machine, he probably used it for their pets, like a dog.
What happened, babe?
I'm just filming a video along. Sorry about that, but as of now, I have rebuilt the motor, polished the commutator, replaced the bearings with new 608 bearings, and just now, very recently, installed an LED bulb. I did some testing and, well, it just has the normal stinky vacuum smell that the vacuums in my house have, and not anything burning or anything. I also replaced the open cartridge 1602 bearing with a sealed equivalent, and also oiled the gears, and we prepared the transmission arm using JB Weld. So now that I have the self-propelled on, let's get to testing. As you can see, it runs much better, and there's no burning smell, so now it's ready to use. Well, there is a little bit of chattering from the transmission. It's probably just the new bearing settling in. Just to compare, this is my 2001 variant. Nine years earlier, before this was made in April 2010. This one's October 2001. Just to compare the motor sounds, both of these have, sorry. Both of these have LED bulbs in them. So just to compare, August 2010. October 2001. So yeah. Overall, I'm happy that I got to work on this Hoover Anniversary. And now all that's left to do is to work on that breathing seat, which will just need another LED bulb and a belt. Because for some reason these things just love going through belts. Whenever I acquire these new, or whenever I get these used, they always have some sort of stretched belt. Or, in worst cases, the belt is about to snap or is already broken, as seen in my Turbo Power 8000. And while I don't have any work footage of this Hoover self-propelled Ultra, the belt was also about to snap, and it was off the motor axle. So there you have it. Two of my 4 Hoover self-propelled wind tunnels. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next vid. Thank you for watching. Bye. And before you go, if it picks up on camera, my Hoover Windtunnel Anniversary, it's the last of the early ones. This one was made in May 2010, just before they discontinued all the other Anniversary Series vacuums in May 2010 or June. I'm honestly not sure, but this one is a very early one and this one's a later one. This one's the last of the USA made ones, as indicated by its serial date, saying that it's made in October 2001. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, for real this time. Bye.